We've built partnerships between Denmark and between Kenya through this summit, but also hopefully between all of you who are in the room today.
The plethora of great ideas, the seamless way you seem to work in the ecosystem, I think it gives great impetus to how we can work together in the future.
So Delta 40, together with the BioInnovation Institute and Novo Nordisk Foundation, designed an innovation program. And the first part was to kind of scan the entire ag and food innovation ecosystem to see what were the early stage companies that had the most promise for scale, and then what support did they need to really get to the next level of scale.
What has been emphasized throughout the Basecamp is the importance of community and partnership, and also the fact that we've been able to interact very closely with other entrepreneurs working within the East African space.
It's quite remarkable what people are doing and what the problems people are trying to solve. That includes everything from trying to extend the shelf life of produce to building the infrastructure that will allow Africa to export more and be able to build our agriculture sector.
And we spent the last 10 days getting to know these companies, helping to advance their businesses. And the Scale Summit, it's a 2-day part of the program where we bring the ecosystem together. It's a curated group of senior leaders and decision makers that have capital, technical resources, or distribution capacity to bring these innovations to a meaningful scale, and most importantly, to reach the last mile in Africa, the farmers that need the most, the households that need affordable, innovative food and ag products most.
I really enjoyed my day here at Delta 40, not least because I saw a very, very strong ecosystem. I saw some very, very strong startups that would work towards flipping the dark carbon-based economy here in Kenya with strong research-based discoveries. I also learned that there are so many strong institutions working alongside here, but they are working very, very siloed.
We're very excited that all the innovators we like to highlight and spotlight are what we call founders on the front line. So they're African and female founders who understand the customer and the markets they know best. And if you start there with a deep understanding of the customer need and the challenges, we believe you can actually create the most impact.
Partnering with foundations such as this is really the catalyst that Africa needs, that Kenya needs, to start to create those bioeconomies that are very, very valuable, especially as we're all tackling climate change.